A man hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, setting a record for the longest hiccuping spree ever. Imagine his ordeal, starting in 1922 and continuing until 1990, every single day marked by an involuntary hiccup. Charles Osborne, the man behind this bizarre record, tried countless remedies, from medical treatments to home cures, but nothing could silence the relentless spasms. Despite this, he managed to live a relatively normal life, farming and raising a family. His story is a testament to human endurance and adaptability in the face of an unyielding and peculiar challenge.